Hello everybody, this is your man Jason F. Smith, creator of the Shades of Intimacy and Modern Day Warrior, found at jasonfsmith.com. Welcome to Shades of Intimacy Daily Download Edition. Today's topic is the Hill of Suffering. Sit back, relax, and welcome to today's Daily Download. Okay, back last August, I was taking a workshop experience. And on the afternoon of the second day, wearing a 40-pound rucksack on my back, I was told to army crawl up a mile-long hike to the top of a hill. And the ground was burning hot. And I had a short sleeve shirt on. And I was crawling up the hill with this heavy weight on. Now, the idea was to imagine if you will, my children at the top of the hill. And they needed me. My children at the top of the hill, and they need me. So that's the impetus for me in this workshop experience to go up. Up, I crawl. Well, the coaches are shooting me with paint gun bullets. There's other men with me. And I'm crawling and I'm crawling and I'm crawling. And I'm imagining my children at the top. And they only make you crawl for a little bit. And eventually you stand up and you hike. But you crawl for a long time, but then you hike. You don't crawl the whole mile. And in that situation, I was suffering from dehydration, huge heat, and it was extremely, extremely difficult for me. And I got up, and the coaches said, you need to run. You need to run. And I knew something. I knew that if I ran, I would only go so far, and then I would collapse. I knew this. And that I had gotten here by hitting singles, by taking step, one at a time. So even while the coaches are yelling at me to run, I slow down, and I just start to hike. Steady up. And it is super hot. This huge, heavy pack on my back. And I chant my kids' names. Asher, Riley, Amethyst. Asher, Riley, Amethyst. And I just keep going. And so the coaches are yelling, you got to get up there. You got to get up there. And one coach comes up and says, man, you got to get up there. You got to run. And I'm like, no, I don't. And this was big for me to say that to the coach. I was like, no, I don't. Because if I run, I'm not going to make it. I have to hike, walk, regular. Boom, boom, boom. And he said, okay. I knew when I needed it at that moment, I was going to make it. And so, lo and behold, I got to the top. Just steady and boom, I made it. And it was one of the most exhilarating things in my life. Scary too. But exhilarating things to get to the top of that hill. I mean, it was hard. It was one of the hardest things I've ever done with the heat and everyone yelling at me, but I did it. I did it steady and slow and regular. Now, brothers and sisters, ladies and gentlemen, when you're dealing with your relationship, sometimes relationship problems can look like huge mountains. Sometimes they can look like huge mountains. And so we have a principle here in the Shades of Intimacy belief system working, which is these hitting singles. One step at a time. One step at a time. Your whole family could be at risk. And if you go running out of the gate and you charge up that hill, it's very possible you will not make it. You'll pass out. You'll quit. It's too hard. You might have to just slow down. And everyone said, you got to worry. You got to fix this before it goes south. And you say, nope, I'm just going to do it step by step by step. That's how you repair relationships. That's how you grow relationships. That's how you take a relationship that's good and turn it into one that's great. The principle remains the same. Step by step by step. One step at a time, you climb that hill to a relationship that is on fire. So, I want you to identify today one area of your life where you can slow down and start hitting consistent singles in a relationship with someone you love, be it your primary partner or someone like a child or a posterity or a friend. Okay, brothers, sisters, ladies, and gentlemen, that's all I got for you. Have a great day, and this is Jason F. Smith signing off.